Hello everyone, welcome to our new session. Today we would like to show you a very famous recipe which is very popular in South Indian festivals as like Pongal, Dasara and so on. As Pongal is all about fun and food, there is one special dish which is prepared in each and every house which is known as country chicken curry, which is combined with Meduvada. Let's get into the ingredients. 1 kilo country chicken, chili powder, turmeric, salt, garam masala, coriander powder, oil. Chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, curry leaves, chili, ilachi, cloves, star anise, javitri, cinnamon, shahi jeera, bay leaf, ginger, jeera, ilachi, cinnamon, cloves, garlic, poppy seeds, coconut, coriander seeds. For the masala paste, firstly toss the coconut until it's roasted. Now add all the other ingredients and toss them for a minute except poppy seeds. Poppy seeds will be added at the end as it gets roasted very soon. Once it cools down, put it into a mixture jar. Now add garlic and ginger into the mixture jar. Add water accordingly to make it into a thick paste. The masala paste is now ready. To marinate the chicken, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Let it set aside for a while. Take a pressure cooker and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Add the spices while the oil is heated. Add some curry leaves to enhance the flavors. Add few sliced green chili. Now add the finely chopped onion. Add a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder so that the onions get into a golden brownish color. Onions have turned into a golden brown, so let's add the marinated chicken into the pressure cooker. Now mix the chicken well. Close the lid for 2 minutes so the chicken gets steamed and extract the water from it. And now add the masala paste which we prepared earlier into the chicken and mix it well. Pour 2 glasses of water to get a gravy consistency. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook up to 4 whistles. Open the lid. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, sprinkle few coriander leaves. Our country chicken curry is ready. The ingredients of Meduvada are chopped onions, urad dal, chili, jeera, coriander leaves. Take a kadai, add oil and let it heat up. Soak urad dal overnight. And grind it into a thick paste. Now add chopped onions, green chilies, jeera, chopped coriander leaves, a teaspoon of salt and mix them well. The consistency of the batter should be thick. Take a piece of banana leaf and apply some oil on it. Dip your hand into the water and take small amount of the batter onto the leaf. Spread it a bit and make a small hole in the middle. Slowly shift the batter to your hand and then put it into the kadai. Let it fry for a while until it changes its color. Hot and crispy Meduvada is ready. Delicious country chicken curry and Meduvada is ready.